Hello guys, I just got this Spyra 2 water, supposed to be a powerful water gun in the world. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. And anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's all about in this thing in the box. I'm very excited. And you can see here, first most, you can see, I got the blue version. I know you can get two of these, but I just got one because I'm gonna compare this to something else. And anyway, this one right here is around about, I would say, $180 with tax and out the door, from Amazon or from any other website. I think it was cheaper back in the past for like what I would say 150, but of course now the price went up. But feeling it over here, you can see it's like grippy, rubbery on the handle, but over here it's a little bit plasticky. But it has a nice feel to it though, plastic. So it seems premium, I would say. And you can see here the digital, it's pretty bright. And yeah, my thought of it is nice. Of course, it only comes with this USB-C cable, and that's it. And you get instruction. You don't get no other of goggles, I would say, or anything else. And that's about it, really. And it's a quick unboxing. And just tune into my channel. I got more video for you guys to watch, and goes from here. But not a bad gun, I would say, for a water gun. Especially right now, it's really hot. So supposedly the strongest, but we're gonna go and check it out exactly if this thing is, and is it worth the money buying this, and go from here. All right guys, just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm just showing you here what my thought of this supposedly powerful water gun, and that's about it. But the quality is pretty good, not bad. I'm surprised with it. Yep. And you get this two, I would say the red and blue team, whatever it's called. But anyway, that's about it. And I'm definitely gonna put this to the test and see if it's worth the money. But the quality, I keep touching it. It's pretty good though for a water electric gun, I would say. It feels good in the hand, some weight to it. Again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And that's about it, really, with this electric water gun.